Do you want to create content faster, find new marketing ideas, and generate blogs, social posts, or even YouTube scripts in minutes? Meet Nichesss, the AI toolkit that helps you write blogs, newsletters, social captions, add copy, and even video ideas with just a few clicks. Nichesss is now available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. That means one-time payment, lifetime access. No monthly fees. Plus, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. With Nichesss you can generate blog posts, newsletters, email subject lines, and YouTube video ideas. You can also create AI-powered images with DALL 2 and get 15 free images every month, so you don't need to waste time searching for stock photos. It also comes with a powerful Reddit search tool that helps you discover popular subreddits by audience size and then instantly suggests profitable niche and content ideas. Other tools like Copy.ai or Jasper charge expensive monthly subscriptions, but with Nichesss, you pay once and get lifetime value. That makes it perfect for freelancers, agencies, and social media managers. And the best part? The price is just $59 instead of the regular $999. You get lifetime access and future updates included. You need to redeem your code within 60 days of purchase, and if it doesn't fit your workflow, no problem, AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee has you covered. Nichesss has already earned a 4.7-star rating from over 300 users. People love how fast and efficient it is, and that the developers are responsive and helpful. A few mention small UI glitches, but overall the reviews are overwhelmingly positive. So if you want to write faster, find hot niches, and create AI-powered content and images, check out Nichesss on AppSumo today. The link is in the description. And don't forget to comment below, what's the first thing you'll create with Nichesss? Backhand index pointing right, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.